What should you know about confusing US student visa laws? Imagine trying to navigate a maze with many turns and signs that look alike. That's what understanding US student visa laws can feel like. The rules are complex, but knowing the basics can make your journey smoother. There are mainly two types of student visas in the United States. The first is the F1 visa, which is for students attending colleges, universities, or language programs. The second is the M1 visa, designed for students in vocational or technical training. Each has different rules and requirements, so it's important to know which one fits your plans. To get an F1 or M1 visa, you need to be accepted by a school approved by the Student and Exchange Visitor Program. This means the school is authorized by the US government to enroll international students. You also have to prove you will be enrolled full-time during your studies. For example, an undergraduate student must take at least 12 credit hours per semester. You will need to show proof of English language skills or that you are enrolled in courses to improve your English. You also need to demonstrate you have enough money to pay for tuition and living costs without working illegally. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. Plus, you must prove you have ties to your home country, showing you do not intend to stay permanently. The application process involves getting a Form I-20 from your school, paying the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System fee, and scheduling an interview at a US embassy or consulate. During the interview, you will need to show documents like financial support proof, academic transcripts, and evidence of your ties to your home country. Once in the US, keeping your visa status is essential. You must stay enrolled full-time, avoid working without permission, and report your address and academic progress to your school's designated school official. Not following these rules can lead to losing your visa and being asked to leave the country. For Black immigrants, these laws can be especially challenging because they often face additional barriers and systemic issues. Understanding the rules helps you avoid mistakes that could jeopardize your education and future plans. Remember, entering the US on a tourist visa or through the visa waiver program does not allow you to study unless you change your status legally. Studying without the right visa can cause serious problems with your immigration record. Work options are limited under student visas. F1 students can work on campus or participate in optional practical training or curricular practical training, but these requiring approval and follow strict rules. For example, on-campus work is usually limited to 20 hours per week during the school year. In summary, US student visa laws are detailed and requiring careful attention. Knowing the different visa categories, meeting the eligibility criteria, and maintaining compliance are key steps. For Black immigrants, understanding these regulations can help overcome challenges and support your educational goals while honoring your cultural identity. Staying informed and working closely with your school and legal advisors can make this process less confusing and more successful.